Today we will discuss about the language acceptability by Turing machine. The Turing machine aim, that is Q sigma capital gamma delta Q0 B F, a string W is belongs to the input. Any combinations of input symbols is said to be accepted by M if Q0, that is initial state, accepting W, that is string, which is belongs to any symbol, any combinations of input symbols, one or more moves. What will get that alpha 1 P alpha 2 for some P belongs to F. So P is a belongs to the final state, and alpha 1 and alpha 2 is a any combination of F symbols. So that is the language. So W is accepted by this Turing machine when it will move to final state, that is belongs to the F. Now I am given an example that 011 is accepted by these Turing machines. Here the transition table where the 6 states are there: Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, Q5 and Q6. Now the input symbols, that is input string, that is W, is equal to 0, 1, 1. So the initial state Q1 taking the input 0, it will take the input 0. So here, so it will replace 0 by X. The read write head moves the right side and it will reach the Q2 state. So this 0 will be replaced by X, and now 0 is there, the Q1 is now 0. So it will move the Q2 state at the right side. So it is now at the 1. So the corresponding ID, it is instantaneous description, is X. 0 is not there, X will be replaced by the 0. So X Q2 1 1. This is now Q2 accept, that is 1. So Y L Q3. So the position of read write is now 1. After taking the input 1, it will move to left side. That means X. So this one, and it will move to the Q3 state. So Q3 X and Y, A1 is replaced by Y. So the Q3 X Y is corresponding ID. Now Q3 X, that is Q3 X, that is X right and X5. So X will be replaced by X. Right means it is now it is the read write head on the Y. So X Q5 Y 1. This Y will be replaced by the Y, X3Y. So X3X. So X will be replaced by X. So this is the corresponding ID. Now X5Y. So X5Y, that is, this is not there. So X5Y. So Y will be replaced by Y. This Y will be replaced by Y. This is Y. Now it will move the right side. So now new position of read write head is on 1. So the corresponding ID is XYQ51. So now Q51, no transitions. Now we will check that Q5 is a final state. No, this Q5 is not a final state. Q6 is a final state. So delta Q05 is not defined. So M is halt. So the input string 011 is not accepted because Q5 is not a final state. Understand what I'm saying? So that is the language acceptability of a Turing machine. So we have to check using the ID, and when we have to reach the final state, then the corresponding string is accepted by this Turing machine. Otherwise, it will not accepted by this Turing machine. So if you have any query, so you can mail me or call me in my phone number. Thank you.